winds. Hurricane Milton in Tampa Bay, St. Petersburg, Florida.
Crap. Oh my god.
By 5 a.m. the wind will have died down. It's looking like it might be like it is now.
Here, I got a good video. Like here, I think you should charge your phone and save your battery now. We do have
Braylee
different
using charging, right?
Braylee's using it right now.
I think I have a second charger in my backpack in one of the big compartments, in the biggest compartment.
Is it here?
It's in the back.
I think it's in the trunk. I'll have to go.
Let's just stay here for now.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Oh my! God.
You don't have
Whoa, look at that
access
palm tree.
from the back, right?
All the way over to the
What is that?
That is a transformer arcing. The transformer, it does what's called
Now all
arc,
the lights are gone
where it
again.
shoots out like a certain thing, and now the only light is our headlights from the car. All right, sit back. We're gonna.
Back on
Man,
again.
that's some straight voodoo
That's
right there.
awesome. Did you record all of them?
Yeah.
Ah. I was gonna say, worst comes to worst, in the car we run in there.
Oh yeah.
Huh?
Oh yeah. Worst comes to worst, we just yeah, one of those parking garages we can pull into. I don't think it'll get that bad though. Usually, you need a really solid high-end Cat 4 or 5 to require the parking garage. This is a 3. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful Mother Nature.